want VIP.
VIP? It's VIP. You? You got a mic?
Yep.
Yeah? You know what to do?
Yes.
Kill yourself when the round goes. I'm just joking, don't do that.
Oh no.
Alright, let's go.
Well, what if I do it?
Are they all killing each other?
No! You traitor. Just all talk.
Yeah, he's just gonna talk.
Okay, this ain't right. I have a shotgun, he has an RPG. You have a standard issue rifle, you have...
This is perfect.
This is
So we
perfect.
just need to keep him from getting to that one and another one.
You just
I'm gonna go to B.
him. Just cripple his legs. and
I'm
kill him.
gonna go to B because nobody can stand up to my RPG. I think they're killing each other, which is nice. They're gonna kill each other because they're dumbasses, obviously. Okay, and here's the other one they have to get to. But obviously, we're not gonna let them.
I'm on my way here.
Yeah, right there.
Yo, I'm down, yo, I'm down.
Where were you?
I'm nearby the alleyway, right next to the shop.
Oh my god. What? You scared the fuck out of me. Please wait before you kill me. Before you kill me. What? Speak. How the fuck? I literally started. You know what? Go ahead. Blast my ass.
If you
Hello?
said so. Hello,
Anyone-
donde estamos? De biblioteca es Egan
I'm your teammate, I'm your teammate, I need to revive, I need to revive, I'm your teammate. Oh no.
I'm not Volk.
No.
I got the bullets, you know. These are very red.
Oh damn.
I did these
Three
buckshots
shotguns.
and red hot, you know. That's why they're so red. Dang. Nasty.
I got COVID. I got COVID.
Hey, yo, somebody shoot him, bro. He got COVID. He got COVID in real life, bro. Don't worry about it. That Arthur today. Who trying to fight, bro? I got a shotgun. Oh, nice. Nice shot, man. Who's trying to die tonight?
There's probably all camping, you know, Frank.
You can never go back to egg here. I wonder why the Americans don't use it.
sorry. No!
I hope I got you. Hey, yo, bro. I learned something from Japanese culture. You want to see it?
No! Come! No! 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 Hey, I learned something. I know something from China called history.
The lighter's not working there, buddy.
Wait, God!
Blasted. Hey, come here. Get that. Hey, come here. There's nobody right now.
Prostate.
Yeah. Prostate cancer, bro.
No! What? Demon! God damn you! Oh, you're Patty. Raggy.
Can I play this game in forever? I'm scared.
I don't believe it.
That's a cap. If you drop a 5 kill or an ace, you definitely play this game too much.
Big facts.
You died?
Here's Johnny. I mean, I'm holding the shotgun, so.
Yo, anybody got a? Yeah, you want to play catch with this? You want to play catch with a live grenade? I mean, it sounds pretty fun in my opinion.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, let's not do that. I take it back.
Yo, you ready? Come on.
No,
you
I'm
wanna
not ready.
play?
No,
We can
leave me
play.
alone, I'm
Come
sorry.
here.
Beck, I don't want to play.
Jesus. Damn couch.
On the middle, on the middle.
Actually,
Shit, bro.
I should have told him to
Damn.
shoot.
Yeah, bro. Damn, bro. Alright, bro. Thank you.
Give me that back.
No, mine.
Stop it. Stop it. Leave my grenade alone.
Yay! No! Oh, I ran out first.
Bro, let's do something. Let's do something for next game. Let's all do grenade launchers, bro.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
we can only have 3 per team.
Oh, for real?
This ain't competitive.
Yeah, it's not competitive, bro. How tall are you, bro? You're like 4'11".
Hey, I may be short, but I'm deadly.
Oh. Let's go.
Jesus.
Whoa! Whoa! On the right, on the right.
Man,
Oh man, come on.
can't
that
see.
corner right there.
I can't
I
see.
told
There's
you.
red smoke. Damn it, I can't see.
Wow, coming around the corner's like,
Grenade launcher, bro.
Yeah, that was me.
Damn, bro.
You did that for Kobe.
I bet he would be pissed.
I could
oh,
barely see
y'all
the
know we're
sides because I
so
was
fried
just,
chicken.
my scope was in the
Hey, you
way.
wanna play?
So fried. No, we're not doing
You wanna
this
play
again.
grenade? Let's play grenade
No.
tag.
No, no, let's
wait,
not.
Wait, I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. No, I want to do it. I want to do it.
You ready?
Give me that shit.
I think you throw out a crate.
Yo, I just got fucking shotgunned.
Shut up.
I'm down in the,
You're down, you say. Shh, child.
Please don't kill me. I'm sorry.
You're safe, child.
I didn't.
Okay. Wait, I think I...
Take it like an out.